There's nothing quite like that first sip of coffee to kickstart your day. And the Sage Precision Brewer Thermal will quickly become your new best friend. With 5 preset coffee modes to choose from, it's simple to make the perfect cup, just the way you like it. But first, let's show you how to get your machine up and running. Lay the box on its side and use the flap to slide the machine out, which may require a bit of effort as it's a tight fit. Also, make sure the side handles are folded upwards so they don't get stuck. Remove all plastic and packaging. Wash the accessories including the lid, brew basket, cone filter insert, mesh basket filter, carafe, and coffee measuring scoop in warm, soapy water with a soft cloth or brush. Then it's a quick rinse and dry. Press the carafe drip stop to ensure it moves freely. Grab the coffee basket and carafe. Ensure they're both empty, and pop on the carafe lid before inserting them into the machine, like this. Remove the water filter and water filter adapter from its packaging, then soak the filter in cold water for 5 minutes. Attach the water filter to the adapter before placing the assembled water filter and adapter into the water tank. Before making the first coffee, you'll need to complete the water hardness test. Fill the water tank with cold water. Dip the water hardness test strip into the water tank for 1 second. Remove the strip and wait for 1 minute to reveal the result. When the result appears on your strip, shown as red dots, you're ready to set your water hardness for the machine. Plug your Precision Brewer into the power outlet. When you first switch on the machine, the LCD will display Set Hardness, which refers to the water hardness level. Press the Select dial once. Rotate the Select dial, then press the dial to select the level according to the number of red dots on your strip. In the mood for coffee yet? We're not far off. But now, it's time to flush the machine before first use. Flush unit will appear on screen. Press the Select dial, and the unit will begin to flush, which will take a minute or so. Next, discard the dispensed water and give the carafe a quick rinse before reinserting. Refill the water tank to the max line. We're now ready to brew your first carafe. As you fill the water to the max line, the Precision Brewer will display 5 options on the LCD. You'll see the Fast, Gold, Strong, My Brew, Pour Over, and the Settings option. The additional modes of Cold Brew will be disabled unless you have less than 4 cups of water in the tank. To ensure you get the best possible tasting cup, always look for beans with a roasted on date so you know exactly how fresh they are. 5 to 30 days out of roast is the sweet spot. If there's only a use by or best before date, you can't tell if they're fresh or not. Let's select the Gold mode to get started. You'll notice the Precision Brewer comes with dual filter baskets with different shapes to ensure you achieve the perfect coffee based on roast type and coffee modes. For Gold mode, we'll use the cone filter basket. Gold mode has been certified by the SCA, Specialty Coffee Association, and meets their rigorous technical requirements, which includes precise water temperature and brew time. The coffee-water ratio is the secret to achieving that perfectly balanced cup of coffee. And thanks to the Precision Brewer's adjustable flow rate, plus precise PID temperature control, you have optimized flavor balance at your fingertips. Ensure the brew basket is clean and the drip stop seal in the bottom of the basket is clean and free of coffee particles, which occur with use. Insert the cone basket into the brew basket with a paper filter, which can be purchased separately. For a superior taste, grind your beans with a quality grinder directly before you brew. The ideal ratio for Gold mode is 55 grams of coffee to 1 liter of water. So for a maximum of 1.8 liters of water, you'll be using 99 grams of coffee, or about 12 scoops of the measuring spoon. Place the brew basket into the machine. Turn the Select dial to Gold mode. Once selected, this mode automatically sets the brewing parameters for that perfect gold cup standard. Then press Start Cancel, and within minutes you'll be sipping on great tasting coffee. Wow, take a look at that. Delicious. Now you've made your first cup of coffee, you're ready to discover the various additional modes available with your Sage Precision Brewer. To learn more about what makes your perfect brew, or for any additional parts and accessories, head to sageappliances.com.